Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting units and importing a scaled reference image so your floor plan measures correctly from the start. Once done, lock that guide and create a new layer for geometry. Make groups for walls to avoid sticky geometry. Draw exterior wall footprints with the rectangle and line tools, then use push/pull to extrude to wall height. Make sure to apply consistent wall thickness now so later offsets and openings align without rework. Next, you refine walls and insert openings. Use offset to create inner wall faces with precise thickness, then group the outer and inner shells. Create door and window components once and reuse them to maintain consistency and reduce file weight. Use tape measure to lay guidelines for jambs and clearances and the protractor for angled walls. Make sure to name groups and layers logically so you can hide or lock items when cleaning up and dimensioning. To finish, add floor faces, apply textures or hatch styles for clarity, and label rooms with the text tool. Create scenes for plan views at 2D parallel projection and adjust styles to hide profiles or shadows for clean prints. Export a 2D graphic or DWG for CAD workflows. Choose paper size and scale. If something prints at the wrong size, stop and recheck model units, and that the imported reference image was scaled correctly before exporting again. Rescaling there fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.